gonna adjust this real quick, guys. Hang on, hang on. Oh, look at this lighting. Hey, YouTube, I told you guys, right? That was a little bit of a long, commercial break that we just had. So I hope you guys, enjoyed all those commercials. Just kidding. But I'm back, like I said, with two amazing women that I met here at the Tax Accounting Summit, which you better be at, right? Next year, 2022, put it in your calendar. Follow taxaccountingsummit.com, sign up for everything. Make sure you're already signed up for Chris Attias' YouTube if you're already on it. I've been talking about it, and this entire weekend has been amazing. Full of amazing speakers, full of amazing people. And on my last live, maybe about 20 minutes ago, half an hour ago, we talked about how scary it is for some of us to talk to as bookkeepers, to talk to CPAs. I know that that's something that I work with my coaching and my clients, because it just seems very intimidating. But these are the faces of the CPAs and tax pros that I want you guys to be able to talk to today on my live. And if you're watching live, give us a thumbs up, because they've been working hard, and these ladies still look gorgeous, all right? Give them some love, and I'm gonna have them introduce themselves, and I am gonna be apologizing one more time, because I am going to adjust us. That's the fun of the live, right?
Yep.
I get to get you guys motion sickness. Sorry, not sorry. All right, here we go. So I'll have these beautiful ladies introduce themselves.
Hi everyone, my name is Rue Gumunyu. I'm a coaches and consultants accountant. So I work with coaches, consultants, course creators, and I help them with accounting and tax preparation, as well as CFO services. So I'm so excited because I love bookkeepers. They make our world rock, right? We work with them. We're going to talk more about that. So thank you, Sissy.
Yes, thanks for joining me.
Hello, I'm Shane Harris. So I have a tax and accounting firm, and we do some bookkeeping, which I don't love to do. We do payroll and many other tax and accounting services that we provide.
Nice. See, these are the faces, you guys. They're not so scary, right? Right? Like, what are we scared of? So I wanted to bring them on, and I'm actually going to scoot it a little closer so we can start talking to you guys. They're going to be able to hear me and kind of see half my head. But it's important because I want you guys to be able to see the faces of these women, and I want to ask them questions. So I'm going to step a little out of my camera view. And Rue, tell us if I was a brand new bookkeeper, I know that I feel like bookkeeping is beneath you guys, right? I'm like, oh no, you guys are amazing at what you do. You guys probably think we're the worst of the worst. What kind of words of wisdom would you give to me on maybe not being so scared, or like how would I approach you, Rue,
Right.
as beginning book?
So I'll say for bookkeepers, you guys are like the pillars of our businesses. We cannot operate with what we do. We cannot offer the services that we offer without bookkeeping. Like my clients, the basic qualification, I need to see your books. That's how I'm going to, one, prepare your taxes, maybe do your CFO services. So that's like what I need for a client to have. So you coming as a bookkeeper, I get excited to collaborate with bookkeepers because one, they make my work easier. Two, I get to serve clients with the things that are already laid out for me, right? For example, if I'm going to enroll a client into CFO services, they need to have bookkeeping, at least QuickBooks Online set up. I need to see their profit and loss statement, everything already ready, and it comes from bookkeeping. So you guys are the best people in the world for our business.
Told you guys.
Right, so we don't even feel that bookkeeping. I don't know who came up with that. Like, who came up with bookkeeping? Because we don't need bookkeepers.
I don't know.
So you
get
don't
scared.
Right, so you don't have to feel scared to approach accountants. We really need your help. We can work together as partners to bring more value to our clients. Again, if you feel a little bit scared to approach us, just a simple DM, right? You don't
Slide into their DMs, you guys.
Into our DMs. You don't have to get on a call. Right,
It's
right
real.
into the DM. So Shane, I think she has more.
Yeah,
to-
let me bring you guys closer. So my professional videographer skills are coming into play. I want you guys to meet them face to face,
Thank you.
right?
So
Okay,
Shane,
awesome.
Y'all can hear me. But you need
Yeah,
to
so
see them.
we're not as intimidating as we look. So I've actually been making the videos, and we're going live as we were party hardying over the weekend. And I was like, tax and accounting, we're fun. We're fun.
We're fun.
We're
I don't know
fun
what
people. People think
about.
we're boring and
Right.
hard to come talk to, but that's not necessarily the case. We're people just like you. And many of us, we do bookkeeping, because I know I do, but I don't necessarily like it, especially if you have to do a cleanup. If I have to spend hours doing a cleanup, that's another client or another consultation that I could be missing out on. So we can outsource this stuff to you guys. Definitely do that in a heartbeat. So if you want to reach us and to work with us, you can just send a message in the DM. I know the one thing I don't like when you guys do that is you'll come in the DM, like I had that a lot on IG. They'll come in my DM and they're like, so, how are you doing your marketing? And I'm like, what? What?
Not personalized.
Like, at least,
That's
say
not- that's
hello.
cool.
Hey, I am, Johnny whatever from wherever. I'm a bookkeeper or whatever. I would like to possibly collaborate with you. My services that I can provide to you, and lead with that. Tell me what you can do for me. And then I can say, oh, hey, I would love to work with you because I have 10 clients that I have coming down in the pipeline, and we could potentially work together. And you lead with some type of value. Versus if you come
Yes.
in my inbox and hey, send me your clients. No, I'm not gonna do that because I don't know who you are.
Hey, what's your
Stranger
number?
danger.
Hey, what's your
Danger.
number?
Right.
Let me
Right,
get you.
Shane,
So-
that's amazing.
Yeah, because it happens all the time. I
Yeah.
get that, especially on IG. It's like it's so impersonal. People just slide in the DMs and then they just lead with. They don't even say hello. It's like, haven't your parents taught you right? No, good morning. No, hello. You just slide on in the DM and say that. No, don't do that. That's the fastest way to get a no. But outside of that, if you come in a more professional way and introduce yourself, we're not going to tell you no. We'll be idiots to say no because we don't want to do this stuff.
See, I told you guys, right? These are the faces of our CPAs and our tax pros. And don't mind me as I do my wonderful videography talents here. We're working with what we got here. But again, when you guys think about collaborating, right, I want to be in the spaces that these women are in, that these men are in, these professionals are in. You guys need to think about coming to summits or going to networking groups, even just in your local area, where these people are. It does seem a bit intimidating, but I mean, after what they said, not so intimidating, right?
Not at all.
I told you guys, not crazy, but I get that it can be intimidating for some of us. So I hope that their pearls of wisdom helped you guys out, maybe gave you guys a little bit more clarity, a little more confidence in what you're doing. And I think that for me, speaking on behalf of actually getting to speak to these professionals, it comes with your confidence. Be confident in your skills, be confident in your knowledge, so that when you do present yourself and your proposal to work with them, that they are going to feel that confidence in you, so that you feel like a great person to work with and a very great company to work with.
Exactly.
So, all right, guys, I told you this is going to be awesome. Make sure you guys go check out Rue. Where can they find you to follow you?
Right. So I'm on Instagram as the accounting chick. So THE accounting CHIC. So I'm on Instagram. If you find me on Facebook as well, Rue Gumunyu, I'm the only one there. So
Yes.
nice connecting with you guys.
See, not so scary, right? Right?
We are
Shane,
fun.
tell them where they
We
can
know
find
how to
you.
have fun.
Right.
So you can find me on IG and on Facebook at Taxes W Shane. So that's Taxes with Shane. See, I got a cool name. I'm fun.
I think that's gonna be our motto for this entire weekend. We're fun. We're fun accountants. All right, guys. Yeah, we're fun. I'm gonna let these ladies do their thing, create content. I really want you guys to go follow them. Also, make sure you're following Krista Tyus. We've got a huge community out here, and what she's done with her team and bringing people like this together. I'm not kidding when I say if you've been following me for all these years and you're not at the summit next year, y'all, I'm
Shame
gonna
on
find
you.
you.
Shame on you.
I'm coming through the YouTube universe and I'm gonna track you down because this is where it's at. All right, this is where we're making these connections.
Yes.
So I'll see you guys later. Make sure you drop some comments in the little comment boxes down below. If you guys have, I don't know, any questions for these lovely ladies, I can forward them over to them. I just really want you guys to benefit out of talking, having this conversation, this like little red table that we're having right here. All right, have a great Sunday and take care of yourselves. Mwah! All right, and this baby.